How's it going, YouTube? Tim Tutz here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your computer a little bit. This will benefit you if you have a regular hard drive computer and not one that has a solid state drive in it. So what you want to do is you want to click on the start menu right here and type in services.msc and open that up. And we're looking for a service called Superfetch, so I'm going to just click on a random one and type S, and now we're in the S's. Here's Superfetch. It maintains and improves system performance over time, and what that means is it keeps track of what you do, so that way it can preload the programs you use into memory so they open a little bit faster. Now that's great and all, but if you are a kind of person that does a lot of different things on the computer, then you don't want all that stuff preloaded into memory, because it's just going to slow your computer down when you use other programs. And it will not hurt your computer at all to disable this, but if you would like to do that, for the startup, just do disabled, and for the service, make sure you stop it. And once you did that, hit apply and hit OK. Down here you'll see that it's disabled and that it's not running. So there you go. This is the first episode to my tutorial on how to do some tips and tricks with Windows PCs. Use your computer like this for a little while, see if you notice any any improvements to the speed. If not, then I'm sorry, but this does work on a majority of the computers. So yeah, anyway, thanks for checking out my tutorial, and we'll see you later.